Hey everyone, Josiah here for BackgroundTube.com. I'd like to address an issue and a question that comes up a lot, and that is photo collages as channel backgrounds. Now, people ask me to make them using their own photos, and that would take a lot of time and be tedious. You know, you could just open up Photoshop or your whatever image editor you own and piece together and resize photos to make a large image full of small images. And there is an easier way to do this, and this isn't my own service. This is going to be a free service that I'm going to show you in just a minute that will take your images, whether that be on your desktop or in a Flickr photo set or a favorites category, and make a collage of those images into one big image that then you could then put on your background channel. So let me go ahead and open up my web browser, which is going to be Firefox. Everybody should be using Firefox. Okay, so the URL is going to be bighugelabs.com/flickr FLICKR/mosaic.php MOSAIK.php. You're going to see the URL right here, and I'll also have the URL in the description so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, so it's going to take you to a page that looks pretty similar to this, and the first thing, it might look a little confusing at first, but I'm going to explain how things work, and it should be pretty straightforward. Right here you're going to see choose how you would like to select images. Now you could do individual URLs. That means that if you have the images hosted somewhere, it could be on Flickr if you'd like. It could be on PhotoBucket or Image Shack or MySpace or Facebook. As long as you can get the URL of that image, you're good. So you would just put that into these little input fields here. You could also upload from your desktop. And what I like right here is the integration with Flickr, which is great. So if you already have a Flickr, then this is going to be so easy. It's going to be very fast. Okay, so Flickr, you could use a Flickr photo set or Flickr favorites, or you could upload images by Flickr tags, which is pretty interesting. You'd probably get some images that aren't yours, so I don't know how that would work as far as copyright goes. So I'm going to use Flickr photo set. Now I already have a photo set link in here. You can grab your link by going to your Flickr page. I have one open right here, and viewing your photo set. You'll see the image in the address bar right here. All you'll need to do is copy that and paste that into the input field here like I have. So up here are some options. You can choose your layout. I haven't gone through all of these different types of layouts, so I'm going to use square tiles. This is probably what everybody's going to want to use for their YouTube channel background anyway. So columns and rows. So right now I don't have too many images in that photo set, so I'm going to use 3 and 3. Now I'm going to get 9 images, but the thing is that I'm going to tile that. Use the tile option in my YouTube profile so that it'll cover the entire screen no matter how large someone's screen size is. So I'm going to go to, once I've got my URL in here, I'm going to click create, and here we go. So if you have more images, the individual images are going to get smaller, which may be what you want or may not be. So right now I could just save this image and then upload it to my YouTube channel for my background, but I'm going to go ahead and edit and go back to show you something else. So you could choose a background color, and you're probably wondering what's the point of a background color if it's going to be covered with images. And I'm with you there. There's no point really unless you have space between your images. So I have it set to 0. I could set it to 5 or maybe 10 pixels. So let's set it to 10 pixels, and let's make the background color black. Okay, now let's create. You can see we get this kind of framed effect, which you might like or maybe you won't like. So it's up to you. You can play around with the different settings and get something that you will like. Now let's see, how are we going to save this? So we're going to right click, and in Mozilla and some other browsers you're going to see save image as. Internet Explorer you'll see save target as. I'm going to go ahead and click that. Save it to your desktop. Save it where you know you're going to find it later. So I'm just going to leave this huge long name. Click save. Now I have another one, so I hope I'm not going to get confused. I'll just remember the N, 3, and this one's 5. So I'm going to go to my YouTube profile, and I already have my background image set up, so you can see it tiling right here. And if you're wondering, this is the beta channel. You can click the link that should show up right about now, and that'll tell you exactly how to get the beta channel. So up here I'll click themes and colors, and I'll go to my background image. Nope, I'll click. This is the design that I've picked for this example, this illustration here, and I'll scroll to my image, click open, and I'll get my new image with the 10 pixel black background, 10 pixel space between the images, and a 1 pixel white frame around it. So again, you can customize as you like. I'll go ahead and click save up here. I'll exit out of this, and whoops, didn't change it. Alright, so you guys get the idea, and I hope you like this video. It's, you know, a lot of people ask me this question, and I think it's worth the video. So super easy to do, and if you want more videos or you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks a lot.